Hey guys, it's Brian from Arrowhead Garage, and today I'm going to teach you how to reset your Service Now oil reset button life on your Porsche Cayenne. Now this applies to all the 2003 to 2010 Porsche Cayennes, part of the first generation that Porsche made. This would be your 955, 957 Porsche Cayennes, whether it be the VR6, the normal V8, or the turbo V8 like I have here, same procedure. All you need is 60 seconds and one little tool to clear that light and get that annoyance out of your world. So with that, let's stop talking. Let's get to wrenching on this week's episode. Let's do this. All right, guys. So unlike other vehicles, it's just not a simple push this button, push that button, and you can reset your oil life reminder on your dashboard. You're unfortunately going to need a tool. Now, this is a Foxwell NT530 Elite. There's a link down below where you can buy it on Amazon. This thing is amazing. Not only will it work with your Porsche Cayenne, it'll work with every Porsche, plus all your non-Porsche cars. One OBD2 scanner tool, and you can all your vehicles, but it's Porsche specific, so you can go into it. So with that, let's hook this up. Let's change that light so we don't have to see that annoying Service Now light again for another 15,000 miles. All right, so underneath the driver's side, that purple thing right there is the OBD2 connection. And of course, it matches up with this one. So all you gotta do is plug them in together. Nice and tight. Turn the ignition on, but don't start the motor. Okay, now we're gonna take our tool. We're gonna go over to that third one that says Porsche. We're gonna click over to that one, 1, 2, and hit enter. Do a smart VIN and let it find it. All right, once you know your model type, we'll go over here. We'll say okay. We're going to say special functions right down there. Hit enter and see where it says oil reset. Down to oil reset. Hit that button. Loading data, please wait. Special functions is what you're going to want next. Hit that. Maintenance interval, hit that. So we're going to go ahead and do this one. Enter. It's loading. Code completed. Go ahead and hit F3 and done. And now let's see if we're going to get that maintenance reminder on us. We'll go ahead and turn the car off, put our foot on the brake, turn it back on, and see what it says. And as you can see, no more Service Now, just we need gas. And I know we're a little low, but hey, we're done. All right, guys, so this Foxwell scanner, there's a link down below where you can buy this from Amazon. Yeah, you're going to make me a nickel, maybe a dime at most if you buy one of these from my link. But this is your best friend when it comes to owning your Porsche Cayenne. And if you have a Boxer or a 996 or 911, any of the newer models that are OBD2s, that's like 1997 forward, that has the OBD2 sensor or the OBD2 port on your Porsche, you can use this thing. But it also works for everything else. I've used it on my Nissan. I've used it on my Pontiac. Even used it on my dad's Dodge Ram. It does everything. And for the price, it's amazing. But if you want to get that annoying engine, if you want to get that annoying change your oil now stuff off your dashboard, this is the only way it's going to happen if you have one of these first generation Cayennes. Now, keep in mind that from the factory, Porsche made that go off every 15,000 miles. But you, as a Porsche Cayenne owner, should not be changing your oil every 15,000 miles. Do it every 5,000 miles. I know it's expensive. It's 9 quarts of oil. But get your ass to Walmart, pick up some 540 weight or 040 weight oil. It's like $25, $28 per jug of 5. You need 2. So for 50 bucks and a filter, you can do your own oil changes. And if you don't know how to do your own changes in your Porsche Cayenne or any other Porsche, link down below. I have videos on showing you how to do all of this. After 14 Porsches in the last 25 years, I have some knowledge, and I've wrenched on all those. Whether it be a classic 1967 air-cooled or even a modern-day 2005 turbo Cayenne, I know my way around these Porsches, and I'm telling you, change your oil every 5,000 miles. And make sure you're using a 040 weight or a 540 weight. Mobil 1 is preferred, but there are some other brands like Napa that has really good oil. All right, guys, that's how in 60 seconds you can take off that dashboard warning about changing your oil. Remember, Porsche built these cars to be at 15,000 mile oil interchanges. Don't do that. Make sure it's every 5,000 miles. Make sure you use Mobil 1. Use either a 040 weight or 540 weight in your Porsche Cayenne, especially if a turbo. These things run hot and they need that extra protection. So with that, pick up one of these, link down below. Yes, it's Amazon. You will make me a nickel or two, but this one here, this Foxwell, will do everything you need, not only for your Porsche, but also for your other vehicles. It's a one-shot wonder. Grab it, get it. You won't be disappointed. Until then, have a good one, and I'll see you next time when we start wrenching on this pig because, you know, Porsches and money kind of go together even when they're used. See you next time.